New videos every day. Life, wisdom.
Now, oftentimes, especially with people that work on computers a lot, we see that the shoulders start to take on this rounded position like this, and the person's back will actually start to get humped up a little bit like this. And somebody who's nice and tall, we certainly start to see this. Sometimes they may be even a little bit self-conscious about being so tall, so they kind of hunker down a little bit. That's kind of a mistake. Now, you can't voluntarily try to walk around straight all the time. It doesn't really work. If you tell somebody who's got poor posture to stand up straight, they can do it for about 5 or 10 seconds, and then they're going to go back to the way they were because the spine is that way. So if you want to affect the posture in a positive way, you have to affect the spine in a positive way. So this is one of the most effective adjustments that I've ever seen to actually start bringing these shoulders back and bringing this person upright. They actually walk around like they're much taller, and we get a lot of comments from their co-workers that they're actually standing up straighter and walking better. Again, this is something that really should be only tried by a doctor. Don't be trying this one at home. Put your hands on my hands. There you go. We're just going to lean you back. Now pull your elbows together. There we go. Very good. Now what we've just done here is we've tractioned this whole area of her spine, and we heard a little bit of a release in there. And when this happens, the person will experience they can breathe better, they stand up better, they just get a lot of relief from this kind of an adjustment. So this is one of the ones that we use in our office that my patients really like a lot.